From complexity to simplicity, we have made maths easy. Welcome to Philemathics series. Subscribe now and let's make mathematics an exciting journey together.
The 30th question of NECO 2025 is on quadratic expression. It says, what must be added to y squared minus 7y to make the expression a perfect square? And so, how we do this, y squared minus 7y is take half the coefficient of y, which is minus 7 over 2, square it, and add it to this. So this is y squared minus 7y, add minus 7 over 2 square. And so this is simply y minus 7 over 2. This is what we can add to make this a perfect square. This is what a perfect square looks like. And so what we add is minus 7 over 2 square, that is D. Thank you for watching.